By the way, I'm just go ahead. I'm sorry. Go ahead first.
A part of me wonders, like, is the pain just like a residual echo of the prior pain, or is it like actual? Because to me, it's kind of weird. It feels like you know you need the old adjustments, but
What old adjustments? I don't know what to tell you about that one. I'm gonna adjust you right now, and we'll reduce your pain again.
okay,
And so you'll tell me if it's imaginary or not.
okay,
You want this because it's something you think you need. And so this is kind of I call this is the want and need talk.
okay,
So people want what they want, but they don't want what they need. And so you need these adjustments, but you want me to adjust every bone in your body.
right,
But so my focus is to teach you what's important,
okay,
being basic. So I think this is a little echo of just you being a
Right.
self-adjuster and somebody who's a little manic about just, you know, thinking you need more than you do. And so all this stuff that you're thinking about doing is really going to undo my work.
right, okay,
You wouldn't be, I mean, you just got to look at the logic of it. Again, now, feeling-wise, you want all that stuff, but it's not necessarily objectively what you need.
right,
And so you have to go subjective over objective.
yeah,
I have to do in the morning or like at 3 o'clock in the afternoon.
Sorry, what?
I'm just a little nervous.
Oh, why?
I don't know.
I've adjusted you so many times already.
Next Friday, I have a 20 to 30 at your house.
Okay.
Good, nice. Good. There you go.
No chiropractic adjustment today. So far, I don't have any pain, which is great. I do have a little bit of stiffness. I'm driving a different car, so the headrest doesn't hurt. That's pretty much it. And I'm trying to keep my shoulders down when I walk.
I'll see you one more time today.
Yes.
Okay. I hope that this has inspired you again to come down again in the future, so that we can do more work on you. Just being my doctor self, point out the obvious. Yeah, let's go. You go in that hospital and you tell them, my chiropractor says you're over medicating them. They'll take that and they'll be like, okay, I'm right on it. Good, nice. Good, nice.
Okay, so I had my 5th day adjustment, which is which I guess is the 4th adjustment. I'm a little sick, but not related, so I got a slight cold. Everything feels good. There is a slight tugging on my right side as I walk. Let's see. I don't feel any pain. I feel stiffness, so a lot of soreness in the muscles, but not really pain. So it's like a level 0.5 out of 10. You know, I'm trying to consciously keep my shoulders down as I walk. It's kind of pulling on my head, obviously, so at least that's the way I feel. But overall, the pain's gone, so we'll see how it holds. Right now it's about 11 o'clock on Friday, and this is day number 5.
Yeah, nice. Can I say?
So this is my last adjustment. it feels clear, and hopefully it holds. So I'm pretty excited because I'm actually in the middle of moving and carrying heavy boxes and things like that, and normally I would have a lot of pain, so we'll see how this holds. This is the headrest that feels like it's pushing on me, but what's happened is after a couple days it feels pretty normal. So basically I look kind of this way. My back pain is good. It is, flexibility is great. Don't have any cracking sounds anymore, if that makes sense. My spine flexibility is pretty good too. The only part that it hurts is if I bend down. So if I bend down, you know, like on a chair or something, tie my shoes or whatever, it's maybe like a 0.5 pain, you know, because I'm really reaching down, blah blah blah. So anyway, hope this was helpful. I do believe that it'll hold. Definitely the first time, you know, brought in a rush of focus, I would say. And then my glasses are pretty minor, like 20, 50 or whatever on one side. So, you know, my night vision has improved. You know, maybe like there's no difference when I put the glasses on, if that makes sense.
Good. Stop right here and let us know what sort of you learned down this hallway. What are we talking down this hallway?
Number one is I have to kind of let my shoulders go. I was kind of forcing them up because I'm told to, you know, stand up straight, sit up straight. It feels comfortable today.
Yeah,
it was
comfortable.
It was different, you know, 2 days ago.
2 days ago when I taught it to him.
Yeah. Because there was a little bit of, you know, pain or
Yeah, but there's a learning curve there. Thank you very much for the video.
Thank you.
I really appreciate you coming down. I hope you make the trip down here again, and let us do some more work on you.
Okay. Well, I hope I never see you again.
Oh, that's fine. Fair enough. That's good. That means, and have a safe trip home. Thanks for watching. See you guys.